Hi, in this video we can learn how to use the zoom option in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so before that let me type google.com in here. Okay, so I came to the Google Chrome browser and I went to google.com. Okay, so now I will type as a hi over here. Okay, we can see the words it has contained what is the percentage as default it contains in the Google Chrome browser. So click on this three dots option. By default it has contains 100%. Okay, so now we want the letters should be in the larger format, so we can click the plus button over here, and where we can see the letters got a very bigger size. Okay, so and also if you want to decrease the letter size by default to 90% or 80% or something, so again click on the minus button, so we can go in the smaller size of the letters also. Okay, so and we can see what is the least percentage the Chrome contains. Okay, so it's went up to 25%. The least we can see up to 25% by clicking the zoom option. Okay, so again we can see how much percentage it has contains is in the maximum size. Okay, so click on this plus button. We can see now here up to 500%. Okay, so minimum it has contained 25% and maximum it has contained 500%. Okay, so if you want to see this screen into full screen window, okay, so for that you can click on this option as a full screen option, where it will go to the entire browser into full screen mode. Okay, if you want to come back again to the previous screen mode, I will click on the function plus F11 option to come back to the previous window. Okay, now we came back to the previous screen. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.